So this is it, JPS Packaging Solutions. Hello. So I'm at Jane Packaging Solutions in Chennai. I'm trying to buy some bubble wrap and apparently I have to buy an entire roll. It's about $28 for, how many meters is this?
1,500 into 100 meters.
200 meters.
1,500 into 100 meters. 1,500 is the width and 100 meters is the length.
So it's 100 meters long. It's a football field.
Yes.
I could cover the sidelines of an NFL football game.
Yes.
I've just been walking around for a couple hours doing touristy things and deliberating about this. So I'm heading back to this packaging place. I realize I am a total dinkus. I mean, what was I thinking? I can't justify buying 100 meters of bubble wrap, right? So I have good news and bad news.
What is bad news?
The bad news is I'm a dinkus, but the good news is I'm going to buy 100 meters of bubble wrap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. So we're just looking at the bubble wrap again, and apparently this is the last one.
Yeah.
2 other people came in the last couple hours.
Yeah, couple of hours the person same.
So I got the last one.
Yeah, no.
Oh! Happy Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day. I really appreciate this. Thank you. Amazing. I'm celebrating a holiday today called Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day. And I'm worried about you because you're riding a motorcycle without a helmet in the dangerous streets of Chennai, and I thought maybe we're gonna wrap him up just so he's safe when he's driving.
Okay, so what?
We should make sure that you're very safe. So
Okay, so how am I going to drive a bike?
I think you're gonna need a few layers. Are you feeling safer?
Yeah.
Feeling safer?
No, event middle.
நான் பாத்துறேன். என்ன
How do
பண்ண
you
டக்குனு
Summa
பண்ண
event la you.
I think he looks a lot safer now. So if you have an accident, you'll be protected.
Yeah.
Yes, amazing. Okay, thanks guys. Happy Bubble Wrap Day.
Happy Bubble Wrap Day. Happy Bubble Wrap Day.
Happy Bubble Wrap Day. I love tuk-tuks, but they're very dangerous.
Yeah.
And I thought maybe we could protect your tuk-tuk with some bubble wrap because it's Bubble Wrap Day. Yeah, come on, let's do it.
பண்ணிடா போல. எல்லா ஆன்லைன்ல புக் பண்ணிடா போல. ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
Oh, auto packet. வாங்க போக முடியும்.
There. Happy Bubble Wrap Day.
Happy Pongal.
I think I saved your life, but I realize I'm an idiot. I'm a dinkus because I don't think you can get into your tuk-tuk. We're gonna have to you're gonna have to cut a doorway, cut a door so you can get in.
I bet it.
Yeah, perfect. Happy Bubble Wrap Day.
Yeah.
And you know how they have yarn bombing? Well, I thought we could do some bubble wrap bombing and maybe bomb this beautiful gate with some bubble wrap. So apparently this is a bank, so I guess there's some kind of symbolism here. I'm not sure what it is, I'm just an artist. And if you don't understand it, that's not my problem. That's right, Daily Dinkus, conceptual artist, reporting from Chennai, India. Happy Bubble Wrap Day. So today is also Pop Art Day, and I really wanted to come to an art gallery. Unfortunately, I have to get on a plane. I didn't have a lot of time, so this was the best art gallery I could find. It's not exactly a modern or contemporary art gallery, so the performance I'm about to do is not really appropriate for this venue, but I don't really have any choice, so here it goes. Today is Blueberry Pancakes Day. It's also the anniversary of the death of a famous artist named Jackson Pollock, who was famous for his drip paintings. So what I've got is I've got some bubble wrap pancakes. This is a stack of bubble wrap pancakes. And this is basically blueberry jam. And here we go. This is my canvas. My canvas is some bubble wrap pancakes. And I'm going to do a drip painting like Jackson Pollock with blueberry jam. Point the camera at them. crazy. And then every great artist is a little crazy. Hey, question. These are bubble wrap pancakes. Would you like to try one? Yes. Bubble wrap pancake. Would you like one? Yes. Oh, yeah. Amazing. All right, guys. That right there is a Daily Dinkus original, which I'm calling bubble wrap pancakes. You should leave this here because this is a work of art, and it should stay there. Don't let anybody touch it. This could be worth a lot of money. In fact, maybe you should take this big piece of concrete into your shop and keep it in the back room. Because you want me to help you? I'll help you bring it inside. No. It's really heavy. It's really heavy. I can't move it. I really think these guys should keep this because it could be worth like more than their whole store someday. If you could have this in your house or one of these in your house, really, what would you choose?
Happy bubble shit day.
Happy bubble shit day.
Thank you.
You called it bubble shit. He called it bubble shit. Happy bubble shit day. Happy bubble shit day. I guess that's it, guys. Until next time, happy bubble wrap day. Happy blueberry pancake day. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you had some fun with some bubble wrap and ate some blueberry pancakes. And I guess that's it. Till next time, you're watching Daily Dinkus. Bye now. It's Pop Art Day, and of course it's a pun, because bubble wrap pops! Come on, Guru, come on, buddy, come on, pop it with me, yeah. Come on, jump, yes, amazing, that's what I'm talking about. Bye.
One photo.
Can you make me one promise? Go home and ask Guru for some bubble wrap and jump on the bubble wrap. Pop lots of bubble wrap. Okay, can you do it?
Okay, yes.
Pop it, pop it. Bubble wrap pops. How awesome is that? Yes.